Hello and welcome to the Earthly Lunar channel. If you've not been here before, my name is Kay and I like to talk about all things about slow living, nature well-being and breath work. So today I am going to go on a wild dip and hike in the Three Shire Heads area, and I'm going to take you along for the journey. We're doing some breath work, we'll be having some cacao, and it's going to be loads of fun. Many benefits to wild dipping, such as improving immune function, reducing stress, reducing chance of burnout. There's also resilience to stress, so building your ability to battle against stress that you're facing in your everyday life. But also there's part of wild dipping that's connecting to nature and enjoying the moment, and it's just really exhilarating and fun. I love it, and this is actually my first wild dip of the year at the end of April. Wait, is it March? At the end of March, and yeah, I will show you what I do before I get in, and because it's the first time in a while I'll be doing some Wim Hof breathing to help me get in the water and not freeze. It's quite nice today, it's nice and sunny, so and warm, so yeah, we're gonna be okay. So if you're interested in this hike, especially and you are from the Peak District or from around Macclesfield area, it's only about 20 minutes from there, then I'm actually hosting a wild swimming event with cacao, nature well-being and mindfulness. So for this event we'll be just going on a hike with other like-minded souls. We'll all be women. I'm having a women's event, as in the past and last year only women applied anyway, so yeah, I think it's a perfect way to connect with other people and connect with yourself and nature. So if you're interested, I'm gonna have the link for my EventBrite down below, and it would be amazing to see you there. So yeah, let's get started. I've all packed and we shall drive to the spot.